How to find your history on Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can find your history on Rednote app. So if you're wondering how you can find up your history of your comments, your posts, everything, these are the process you may follow up, and you should also be able to find your history on Rednote app. So first of all, go ahead and launch the Rednote application on your device. If you have already launched it, you can go ahead and tap on this menu bar at the top left corner of your screen after you're logged in. And there you go, you can easily find a history section right here below my comments. Just go ahead and tap on it, and here you should be able to find all of your history that you have in your Rednote app. So if you want to delete those history, you can go ahead and tap on manage and select those history and confirm deletion, and your history should be deleted. So these are the process you may follow up in order to find your history on Rednote app as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.